Origami Snail. With just one piece of paper, we'll fold a fun little snail step by step. Easy, playful, and perfect for all ages. Let's fold and have fun.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much. What is it with time? Why can't we unwind? And all the hurt we deal with, I wanna leave my cares behind. And now that time has passed, I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. And now that time has passed, I see why we were lonely. Should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this origami dragon tutorial, please give the video a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative origami videos every week. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating awesome paper art together. See you in the next video. Happy folding!